So today I parked my truck at John Bryan State Park, and I just left John Bryan and entered Glen Helen Nature Preserve. Coming in on the back side, where it's connected to John Bryan State Park, right near the campground. And the reason I'm down here today is my son has a basketball game in Dayton, and I'm tired of walking around the same boring roads at home. So I thought I'd make the hour drive down here to Yellow Springs, which is only 15-20 minutes away from the ball game I'm going to later on. And I was hoping for less snow because I got my trail runners on today and wasn't really planning on hiking in any snow at all. And now it's coming down pretty good, so at least it's beautiful. Would you look at this? I did not expect this snow today. Wow, this is beautiful. And what do we have here? Let's go get a closer look at this statue. Horace Mann, 1796 to 1859. Now, I've been to John Bryan State Park several times. Actually, was just here a month ago or so running the winter solstice half marathon. And I've also been to Glen Helen twice, but I've never spent more than probably half hour here. So today I have several hours to kill, and we are going to try to tackle just about everything here at Glen Helen Nature Preserve. So let's get moving, put some miles in, and I'll get my camera out and show you some of the neat things there are to see here. I know there's a yellow spring, a couple little bridges, and maybe some waterfalls, or at least some cascading water. And looking forward to seeing all this with the snow. It's going to be a totally different experience. This is the Ricciardi or Ricciardi. I'm not sure how I pronounce it, but this is a spring coming right out of the earth. Pretty cool. Put a few steps here to get down to the spring to get water. And it turns into a little creek right here.